Hi guys, today I am going to show you how you can use VidIQ keyword search tool to find video ideas for your YouTube channel. VidIQ is a video analytics and marketing tool for YouTube creators. With VidIQ, you are able to optimize your videos for more views and variety of metrics including likes, shares and subscribers. This platform also offers SEO tools. With the use of VidIQ, free Google Chrome extension, this will allow you to see top keywords and tags used by other channels. How to install VidIQ extension in Chrome? Let's start this process. First open Google and search VidIQ Chrome extension. Then open this website. In this VidIQ, Vision for YouTube is opened. And this is basically an extension. Now we have to add this to our Chrome. So just click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension. This will redirect you to VidIQ sign-in page. You can also check that VidIQ is added to your extension or not. Just click on three dots on the top of your Google Chrome and click on More Tools and then open Extension. Here in Extensions, you can see VidIQ is added to our Google Chrome extension. You can also log in into VidIQ by just clicking on this icon and then click on Login. Just enter your email ID and password and then click Login your account. After login to your account, you have to connect your YouTube channel with VidIQ to use its features. Click on Connect to your YouTube channel. A new page will open and click on Add your YouTube channel. Now our channel is added with VidIQ and you can see your video analytics from here. Through this way, you can add VidIQ with your Chrome. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.